What's up, my crypto legends? Yes, the price of Bitcoin did get that huge massive pump. Let's take a look at it right away. Okay, this was something that was mentioned on yesterday's video because the DXY did get that drop, guys. DXY was having the drop. We were talking about the possibility of Bitcoin getting a rally maybe in the next coming weeks or a couple of days. However, I posted the video. It happened very fast, guys. In a matter of hours, we came to make a new yearly high and tap the high. We did not get a rejection. However, we got the rejection from that daily level that was mentioned on yesterday's video, guys. If you missed out on a short position, I did get into the short position, already taken profits from this short. I missed out on many longs. Okay, I did manage to try to get into some long positions from the analysis of Sam. He was talking about, you know, bounce from a VWAP, from a naked point of control, great analysis, and also long that level, but however protected too soon and got wicked out. Okay, as you can see, so it did miss a bit of the long position, no doubt, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I had a plan, and then the other plan was getting into this short position where I entered very aggressively with lower capital, with more capital, lower leverage, because I'm seeing it more of a swing trade possibility. However, already taken 50% off the table. Now, going back here, guys, to the analysis, let's take a look at Bitcoin and the major levels, because this was mentioned yesterday, guys. This blue horizontal line was the yearly highs created in July, okay? The 6th of July, right? The blue horizontal line, 31,500. We did not get any rejection right there, as you can see. We blasted through that level and then hit the daily. The daily is the green horizontal line, which is at the 31,750 range. Okay, I've got it at 31,800 right now, but this is on the mobile. This is the first time I'm doing this kind of video, guys, but I'm traveling at the moment. So yeah, basically, beautiful rejection, guys. Look at that consolidation that we had beneath the daily level. Absolutely beautiful for that sniper trade. Take that decision. This is a level that we mentioned for the last few days, even a couple of weeks. Daily level, 31,700 range. We got a nice level for a short there. Bang, we hit the level and having that corrective move. So missed out on some long positions. You know, some of the guys in the legend training community did manage to get into the longs. Okay, I missed out a little bit. However, I was very defensive. Sam also was talking about some major levels here at the 30,460 where we're hitting the VWAP and a naked point of control, and some of the legends managed to hold that long. I was stopped out at break even. However, managed to get into a really nice short position here with some pretty interesting capital. It's the plan that I've been waiting for over a week, guys. I've been waiting for either the yearly high at 31,500 range to get a failed breakout. However, look at the candlestick, it went straight through it, so no shorts taken. Hit the daily level, consolidation. This was my time with a stop loss above the highs to get aggressive into that short. Massive drop just a few hours, okay, after hitting that daily level, guys. You know, it dropped over $600-700, as you can see on the chart, making some epic gains. Locked up 50% already of that position, and leaving the rest open, guys. I was really happy with this short that was talked about on this video on YouTube, guys. We talked about the scenarios. We did talk about that daily level getting that major rejection possibility. Okay, so if you haven't seen, okay, the video from yesterday, make sure to check it out, guys, because we do talk about that level, as you can see here on the chart. We talk about the pump that happened because of the DXY and that rejection from the daily level, guys. So there it is, guys. What can I say? Not much more to be said. Of course, let's talk about XRP. XRP is the hot coin at the moment, as it's not a security. And guys, you know, if you want to know something, it's a little bit dangerous right now, in my personal opinion, to get into that long position. One of the main reasons why, massive liquidity grab from some lower highs that we did have in here in February and March, April of 2022. Okay, look at these lower highs at 92 cents. We wicked above the level. That was an epic short as well for XRP, because yes, you could have FOMO'd in as soon as the news was out that it was not a security. You know, we were trading around about 60 cents. Yes, you could have FOMO'd in a little bit here if you wanted. However, we've already pumped an insane amount, so the best option was a short position. You know, this is a swing failure pattern is one of the best strategies here, because you basically, it's a winner. You can have really good risk management. Look at the 56 cents here, you know, lower highs from October, September of 2022, and then you get this massive rejection and a major corrective move to the downside. So good option for a short position all the way up here at the 85 cents 90 cent range for that failed breakout liquidity grab above these lower highs created from April, March of 2022. So not much more to be said, guys. I would be extremely cautious. This is a FOMO moment, right? Stay cautious, because this could be a sell the news event, right? You've had a massive pump, get people to FOMO in, and then correct aggressively. It's definitely a possibility. Okay, so just stay cautious. Right now we're in the middle. Will XRP manage to correct and get a beautiful bounce right now? Well, obviously I don't have the big major levels here on the phone, but just stay extremely cautious and defensive. I'm happy with my short position right now from Bitcoin, and not much more to be said, guys. If you are interested in shorting, longing XRP, you have Bitflex down below, guys. No KYC is required. They are giving an Apple Watch now. If you deposit $100 and place one trade, you get $10 of bonus, and there's an Apple Watch giveaway, guys. Check out the tutorial. I got it also down below in the description. Not much more to be said, guys. I will be posting some more video updates as soon as I'm not traveling, when I'm finishing the traveling. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.